The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most revolutionary drones in the market, fueling excitement among drone enthusiasts worldwide. Even though DJI recently introduced the DJI Neo, a compact drone aimed at vloggers, the Mini series remains a favorite among those who seek powerful aerial capabilities in an ultra-portable design. With leaks and speculation running wild, there's a lot of buzz surrounding the Mini 5 Pro, particularly about the next-gen camera technology, AI-enhanced tracking, and powerful new motors. But the biggest question remains: can DJI deliver significant upgrades while keeping the drone under the crucial 250g weight limit? Let's break down the most exciting leaks, possible enhancements, and the challenges DJI faces in making this next-gen mini drone a reality. A balancing act. Upgrades versus weight limit. The Mini series has built its reputation on being lightweight yet powerful, offering professional-grade aerial photography without the hassle of FAA registration in many countries, including the United States. The 250g weight threshold is a major factor that influences DJI's design decisions. Any additional battery capacity, camera upgrades, or motor enhancements could potentially push the weight beyond this limit. Why does the 250g limit matter? No FAA registration. Users can fly the Mini 5 Pro without needing a drone pilot license. Increased accessibility. Beginners and professionals alike can use it hassle-free. Portability and convenience. The compact design makes it perfect for travelers. With every new Mini series release, DJI faces the challenge of packing in high-end features while maintaining the ultra-lightweight appeal. So, how can they pull it off? Next-gen features. What to expect from the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Leaks suggest that DJI is taking a bold leap with the Mini 5 Pro, introducing some groundbreaking features that could make it the best mini drone yet. 1. LiDAR-powered obstacle avoidance and 3D mapping. One of the most exciting rumors is that the Mini 5 Pro might be the first ultralight DJI drone to feature LiDAR technology. Light bulb, what is LiDAR? LiDAR uses laser pulses to measure distances and create 3D maps of the surroundings. This technology has been used in DJI's high-end drones like the Mavic 3 and Inspire series, but bringing it to the Mini lineup could be a game changer. Rocket, why it matters. Improved obstacle avoidance. LiDAR sensors could help the drone detect obstacles faster and more accurately. Low light performance. LiDAR is highly effective in night flying or low visibility conditions, helping create stunning footage in tricky environments. Precision tracking. Enhances AI tracking for smoother, more accurate subject locking. 2. More powerful vented motors for better flight stability. Another notable leak shows that DJI has redesigned the motors for better cooling and power efficiency. The vented motor design suggests that the Mini 5 Pro could have stronger thrust, which would be useful for white heavy checkmark better wind resistance. Ideal for capturing stable footage even in breezy conditions. White heavy checkmark more precise maneuverability, making it perfect for action shots. White heavy checkmark faster acceleration and agility, offering improved performance for professional drone pilots. Battery, but what's the trade-off? More powerful motors could drain the battery faster, meaning shorter flight times unless DJI compensates with higher efficiency batteries or weight reductions elsewhere. 3. AI-enhanced tracking for dynamic cinematic shots. DJI has been integrating advanced AI-powered tracking into its latest drones, and the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to take it to the next level. Movie camera, what's new? Faster, more accurate subject tracking. Great for filming moving objects like cars, bikes, or people. Multi-subject tracking. Track multiple moving subjects simultaneously without losing focus. Autonomous cinematic movements, making it easier to capture Hollywood-style shots with minimal effort. For content creators, vloggers, and adventure filmmakers, these upgrades could be a massive boost to their production quality. 4. Upgraded camera system. With 5K video, the Mini series is already known for exceptional image quality, but DJI could be stepping it up even further with the Mini 5 Pro. Camera expected camera upgrades. 5K or 4.6K resolution video for sharper, more detailed footage. Improved HDR processing for stunning contrast and color accuracy. Better low-light performance, possibly featuring a larger sensor for cleaner nighttime shots. With competitors like Audl and Skidio pushing camera technology forward, DJI has strong motivation to up the ante with a more powerful imaging system. 5. Extended flight time and new battery design. Battery life is a crucial factor for drone users, and DJI is expected to optimize the Mini 5 Pro's power efficiency. Battery, what could be improved? A more efficient power management system to balance performance with longer flight times. Swappable battery packs with fast charging support. Lightweight battery design to keep it within the 250g weight limit. With DJI's past innovations, we could see flight times exceeding 40 minutes on a single charge, depending on conditions. Release date and price. When can we expect the DJI Mini 5 Pro? DJI follows a fairly predictable release cycle, and based on previous launches, the Mini 5 Pro could arrive as early as November 2024. Moneybag expected price range. $749 to $899 for the base model. $999 plus for the Fly More combo, with extra batteries and accessories. While the price might seem steep, the Mini 5 Pro could offer professional-grade features in an ultralight form factor, making it worth investment for drone enthusiasts and content creators. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro the ultimate compact drone? If these leaks hold true, DJI is about to redefine what's possible in the sub-250G drone category. From LiDAR-powered obstacle avoidance to AI-enhanced tracking and powerful new motors, the Mini 5 Pro could be the most advanced lightweight drone ever released. Fire key takeaways. Heavy checkmark, next-gen camera, potential 5K video and improved HDR. Heavy checkmark, LiDAR technology for superior obstacle detection and mapping. Heavy checkmark, more powerful. Vented motors for better wind resistance. Heavy checkmark, AI-enhanced tracking for smoother cinematic shots. Heavy checkmark, possibly longer battery life despite high-performance upgrades. With competition heating up in the drone market, DJI has a lot to prove with the Mini 5 Pro. But if the rumors are accurate, it could easily become the best compact drone of 2024. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official announcement.